Welcome to tonight's video on section 5.6, sum and difference of rational expressions. First thing we want to do when we're adding or subtracting rational expressions is we want to factor the denominators if possible. In this case, 6a squared and 3b and ab are not factorable, but if you want to, you could say 6a squared is equal to 2 times 3 times a, like that, and 3b is 3 times b, and ab is equal to a times b. And then to find the least common denominator, you could find the lowest common multiple, and the lowest common multiple, remember, is basically you take the numbers, if they repeat, you only write it once, so 3 times 2, and then since they share an a here, times a, and then they share a b times b, and then you also have another a. So basically the least common multiple would be 6a squared b, and that is the lowest common denominator, 6a squared b, for all the terms. So what you want to do is multiply each term by what it needs to get the lowest common denominator. Here, you need to multiply by a b. So it's b times 1 over 6a squared b. Here you'd need to multiply by 2a times 1 to get 6a squared b. Because you'd have to multiply 2a times there and 2a times there. Here you just have to multiply b times both of these. And here you need to multiply 6a to get both of those. To get the common denominator. So you have 6a squared b there at the bottom. Okay, now you get the like term, so you have b over 6a squared b plus 2a over 6a squared b minus 12a over 6a squared b. And now you can combine like terms. Well, you have 2a minus 12a, so you have b minus 10a all over 6a squared b. And then if you can simplify the numerator, you would, but in this case you cannot. So therefore, that is your answer. Moving on to the next problem. Notice we factor, here we have 2u minus v, 2u plus v, and this would be 2u minus v and 2u plus v, the difference of two squares. So the lowest common denominator would be 2u minus v times 2u plus v. So right now, this is what you have. Now, to get the common denominator, here we'd have to multiply by 2u plus v, because that's what it's missing. Here we'd have to multiply by 2u minus v. And then this one we don't have to multiply by anything, because we already have the common denominator. So now distribute. So you get 6u squared plus 3uv. And then distributing the negative along here, you get minus 4u squared plus 2uv plus 2v squared, all over 2u plus v times 2u minus v. Combine like terms. 6 minus 4 gives you 2u squared plus 5uv plus 2v squared all over 2u plus v times 2u minus v. Now let's factor the top. So 2u squared plus 5uv plus 2v squared. Let's see if it's factorable. Well, what are the factors of 4 that add to 5? They are 4 and 1. So it's 2u plus 4v and 2u plus v. Well, here the common factor is 2, so you have u plus 2v and 2u plus v. That is how the numerator would factor. And notice you can cancel, so you get u plus 2v over 2u minus v, like so. All right, that concludes our video for today. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask me another time. Have a good weekend.